Hi, my name is Nate Davenport. Today I'm going to be showing you how to ride a motorcycle. First off, I just want to show you like basic controls on everything. This is the clutch right here. Here's your headlights. Turn your lights on. This is a choke for your idle. Here's the blinker, left, right. Here's the horn. Here's your ignition button right here. And this is your kill switch. If you got it on, you just want to kill the bike, you just hit that switch. Here's your front brake. You don't want to use your front brake that much because you might flip it over. Here's your throttle. Right here we got the rear brake. That's the main brake that you use when you're riding. Alright. Oh, here's the gears. One is down, and then a half a click is neutral, and then the rest are all up, and then the downshift you just hit it down. Alright, step one, to ride a motorcycle you're going to want to always wear your gear for safety, because people can't drive and someone hits you on a bike and you're done, because you don't have no safety things, airbags or nothing. You just got the bike and your in the road. You're going to want to wear your helmet and your jacket. Step two, you want to get your key, put it in the ignition, turn it, so that comes on. You're going to stand the bike up. And to start the bike, you got to make sure it's in neutral, or it'll flip up, and the green light shows it's in neutral. And to even start the bike, you got to hold in the clutch and press the ignition button. Before you take off or anything, you have to have the kickstand up, or the bike won't go nowhere. Take off, you gotta hold in the clutch and just hit down for first gear. And then when you're going, you're gonna want to just hold in the clutch, click up, and that'll get you in the second gear and just keep going. When you're stopping, you always want to hold in the clutch. Make sure you don't bog it out, you'll jump the bike. When you want to stop, put it back in neutral and let go of the clutch. That's it. And I'm Nate Davenport, and that's how you ride a motorcycle.